Eldest son has got something at a tender age of 2. He has been diagnosed with something which is very rarest of rarest disease.
First question was why him? A child of 2.5 years. उसमें किसी का क्या बिगाड़ा है? That's the first thought that came to my mind,
Any
that
mother would
a
say कि मुझे
child,
हो जाए, like
yeah,
मेरे बच्चे को
yes,
नहीं हो, तो वहां जाके बैठ गई हूँ दुबई में, एंड यू आर हैविंग अ नॉर्मल लाइफ एंड आई एम विद अ मेडिकल चैलेंज चाइल्ड. I have more responsibility. My emotions are draining out. My physical health is draining out.
his staying there was, I knew, was equally important because finance, we had to divide our responsibilities. I had to be here, take care of him. He had to stay there and take care of the finances. We used to go out on holidays every time, either when he is here or I am there. हम लोग 2 दिन, 4 दिन, 10 दिन, only the two of us. We used to go spend time together.
And what was your first reaction when you got to know, like, your eldest son has got something at a tender age of 2? He has been diagnosed with something which is very rarest of rarest disease. Did you start questioning yourself, why me? Why him?
That was the first question. The first question was why him? Yes. Why a child of 2.5 years? उसमें किसी का क्या बिगाड़ा है? That's the first thought that came to my mind,
Any
that
mother would
a
say कि मुझे
child,
हो जाए, like
yeah,
मेरे बच्चे को
yes,
नहीं हो.
Q, yes. Why him? Why he has to? And the other was denial. That okay, maybe we can do something about it. So the next few years, we invested our energy in trying to cure him. We tried homeopathy, we tried Ayurvedic, alternative medicines, running from doctors from here to there. Meanwhile, trying to understand what the problem was. And the sad part for us was that the disease was very rare.
Yeah.
Even the doctors didn't know about it in India. Many doctors that we visited, they were like, okay, we will have to get back to you. We'll have to study about it and read about it, and then we'll be able to tell you. So that even scared us even more. So when you are ill, you rely on the doctor completely. Yeah,
Absolutely.
they are your God. कि वो
Yes.
लोग जो बोलते हैं, if they say that okay, सब
And
ठीक हो जाएगा, at somewhere you feel that okay, सब ठीक हो जाएगा.
yeah.
Yeah. So that really shook us off, that, oh my God, even the doctors don't know. How will we survive with this?
Yes.
And, things happened. Uh, the first few years were very difficult. Everything from accepting that he has a problem which is incurable, to him being hospitalized very frequently, getting pneumonia attacks.
You were in a joint setup, or you were handling the entire show at your, like, you both together and that's it?
I stayed with my in-laws. I still stay with my in-laws. And my husband used to work in Dubai. Now, all these things that were happening demanded a lot of financial support.
Absolutely.
So my husband had a very good job in Dubai. He was earning, progressing well there. So we mutually decided that, and Vedansh's entire team of doctors was here in Mumbai. So we decided that for the benefit of Vedansh's health, it is the best that he earns there, and I stay here taking care of Vedansh. My in-laws used to stay with me. They were my pillars when Vedansh was not well, not stable. There were times when he was 5. I remember visiting a doctor, and he told me that, ma'am, please, एक बात दिमाग में उतार लीजिए कि ऐसे बच्चे 5-6 साल से ज्यादा जीते नहीं है. सो प्लीज बी प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर इट. एंड आई वाज लाइक, यू नो मेरे पैरों के नीचे से जमीन ही निकल गई. आई वाज लाइक, व्हाट
Absolutely.
इज ही सेइंग?
Yeah.
My son is not going to live more than 4-5 years. And I was like, and post then, every birthday was a huge milestone. That okay, I used to tell I was blessed with very very good friend uh, here in Mumbai, who was by my side throughout this tough time. And I used to tell her that, Bina, one more year, एक और साल वो जी गया. I have him for one more year now. So his birthdays used to be like huge milestones for us.
As a mother myself, I'm getting goosebumps hearing all this. But I'm sure how would you have handled practically? I don't know where where the money mothers get that energy automatically by the grace of
Yeah.
the universe. Like somewhere you become very stronger. So
Yes, it was for him. It was, if it was for me, probably I would have crushed. I would have gone down the drains. I did get crushed. I went into a phase of depression for a long, long time. I slipped, and that also my friend realized that, must be something is not right. You are not behaving okay. You need to visit a counselor. You need to go to a psychiatrist and take counseling. So she was the one who took me that, because I used to tell her that मैं इतनी थक गई हूँ that I just want to sleep off. मुझे सो जाना है, मुझे उठना ही नहीं है. Or I just want to go off somewhere and never come back. I'm so tired, I'm drained. So I used to, share all my thoughts with her, and then she was like, something is wrong, Mosmi. Let's go to a doctor. And that's where things started getting back a little.
you were going through all this already, and then you picked up a passion, which is biking. So something if a mother is doing for herself, did somebody
Mm.
call you like, Moshmi, what's wrong with you? You're acting selfish. Your son is suffering, and now you have picked up a passion. Now, how far this is like, what are the pros and what are the cons? कितना ये सच रहता है कि अगर हम खुश हैं तभी हम अपने बच्चे को खुशियां दे सकते हैं. नहीं तो if we are
Mm.
depressed all the time, and you have seen both the faces. When you were depressed, you were serving the boy, and when you were
Mm.
following a passion, and you were serving the boy. So tell me,
Mm.
which one did you think worked the
So
best for you?
to start with, you asked, did somebody tell you this? Let me put it, mostly everybody told me this, that how can I leave my son who is not well, who is suffering from an incurable disease, leave him and travel. मतलब बच्चे को छोड़ के
आप
मौज कर
कैसे
रही
जा
है.
सकते हो? हाँ,
या
हाँ.
कैसी माँ है. This
कैसी
is what
माँ?
I have heard. Yeah, this is what, and uh, believe me, this is I'm really sad to say that this is the state of 98% of the people. Not just, I wouldn't say men or women. 90% of Indians have this thought process that doing something for yourself is selfish,
Especially a mother.
especially a mother. Because I tell you, mothers are glorified. बलिदान की देवी, adjustment, sacrifice.
Sacrifice.
Um, yeah, खुद. I remember there was one reel on Instagram which went very viral where there was a mom who was wearing an oxygen mask, oxygen cylinder, and she was cooking in the kitchen.
Oh.
And it went viral like crazy. कि अरे ये होती है माँ. I was like, what? No, this is not, this is not what a mother has to be or a mother is. That lady needs rest. That lady needs to be on the bed. जिसको breathing की ऑक्सीजन की जरूरत है, उसको किचन में खड़े रहने की जरूरत नहीं है. So
Yes.
this is what mother is in India. कि बच्चों के लिए sacrifice, घर के लिए sacrifice, and this is, I'm telling you, this is a societal picture. पैट्रियार्की का एक फॉर्म है कि आप महान हो, आप ये करो, आपको यही करना है, आपको सैक्रिफाइस करना है, तो ही हमने ना हमारी सोसाइटी ने एक बॉक्सेस बना के रखे हैं. माँ ऐसी, बीवी ऐसी, बहू ऐसी, उसमें फिट होना है सबको. सो इफ यू डू दैट, यू आर अ गुड मदर. इफ यू फिट इन द वाइफ का बॉक्स, यू आर अ गुड वाइफ. ऐसा एक्सपेक्टेशंस है.
And if
इफ यू
you
डू
ask
एनीथिंग
for change,
आउट ऑफ दैट,
yes, out of
या,
the box, then you are a bad mother, bad wife, bad everything. कैसी
यस,
माँ है आ जाता है फिर.
कैसी माँ है. यस, एंड आई एम टेलिंग यू, दिस वाज नॉट जस्ट बाय पीपल आई डिडंट नो. दिस वाज बाय माय फ्रेंड्स. एक मेरी दोस्त ने मुझे कहा कि यू स्कैर्ड ऑफ, तेरे बच्चे तेरे नहीं रहेंगे. आई वाज लाइक, व्हाई वुड दैट बी? मेरे बच्चे मेरे क्यों नहीं रहेंगे? ही इज लाइक, यू आर, व्हेन दे नीड यू, यू आर जस्ट लीविंग देम एंड यू आर गोइंग. And I'm telling you, when you are in between people and say 95% of the people tell you कि तू गलत है, तू गलत है, तू गलत है, तू गलत है,
Start
you start
believing.
questioning yourself.
Yes.
I started questioning myself. मैं
Mm.
गलत हूँ? Am I doing this wrong? Thankfully, like I said, there were 5% in my life who told me that, no, Moshni, do this. Even my counselor used to tell me that you need to do things for yourself. You need to take care of your body and your mind. And today, मैं proudly ये कह सकती हूँ that because I am independent, I had boundaries, I prioritized my wellness, my kids are doing that. They are independent. They know boundaries. They are taking care of their body. So I think I have, I wanted my children to, grow and think that taking